Today, we're talking about kitting and staging in facilities maintenance. What is kitting? Kitting is a practice of assembling a kit of all the parts and supplies needed to perform a job ahead of time. Here's a real-world example. So quite simply, you can see we have grouped or assembled all of the parts and materials we need to install this thermostat. This thermostat will be installed on a piece of HVAC equipment, but you can see we don't just need the thermostat. We need the step-down transformer that will supply 24 volts to the new thermostat. We need a thermostat guard to protect the thermostat from vandalism or the public messing with it. We have a spool of thermostat wire. We have electrical tape, wire nuts, mounting hardware, and the batteries for the thermostat. We also have included in this kit the drill driver and driver bits that we need to install the Tek screws that will install the step-down transformer. We got our wire crimper strippers to cut wire and strip the wire, thermostat wire, etc. Flashlight to see what we're doing, non-contact voltage tester for obvious reasons, a pen to mark the wall for our location of the thermostat and thermostat guard, and a torpedo level to make sure the thermostat and guard are installed nice and level. Kits can be assembled in a cardboard box, as you see in this example, or a plastic tub, metal bins, and kits will usually have a designated place in the facility that everyone is made aware of. So when the technician comes in the following morning, they all know I go to the kit area and grab the kit off the shelf or the rack, and usually you'll have a piece of paper taped to the box or inside the box that will have the work order number, job number, customer name, pertinent information on that piece of paper. And ideally, I'd recommend stapling it or taping it to the outside of the box so the technician can walk up and quickly and easily see this box is for him and his job, put his name on it or her name on it. So what is staging then? Well, staging is the practice of placing the equipment and materials needed to perform a task on site ahead of time. So here's an example. For a job we're doing tomorrow, we need a man lift and a forklift. So you can see we went ahead and parked the man lift and forklift on the job site, ready to go for tomorrow. We already did a safety check, made sure the batteries are charged up on the man lift. The forklift is good to go. And we put up orange bollards around the work area ahead of time. What are the advantages of kitting and staging? Kitting and staging reduces waste, specifically wasted time, effort, and money. By planning ahead, kitting and staging kitting and staging all the parts, materials, tools, and equipment allows employees to get right to work on the project day and not waste time walking around searching and gathering things they need to do the job. This reduces frustration and equipment downtime. Woo! So you're increasing your productivity and improving employee workflow. Kitting and staging allows you to identify missing tools and materials ahead of time. So for example, say you need a grease gun for a project tomorrow, and you grab the grease gun off the shelf and you realize, oh, hey, it's out of grease. Put a new tube of grease in it. Or you need a flashlight to work up inside a drop ceiling tomorrow. Does the flashlight work or does it need new batteries? You get the idea. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.